things on this George Washington's party, actually. First off, they teach you about tonic and dominant, so check that out, read that. Know it, I said so. Basically, tonic and dominant we learned about before is the first note and the fifth note of the key. Tonic is the first, dominant is the fifth. So in D position, we're going to have a different tonic and dominant than we would in C position. But you already knew that because you're smarty pants. So let's look at the song a little bit. The song is a tricky one. It starts on an upbeat. Remember we learned in the last book that there can be an incomplete measure, so it starts and ends with an incomplete bar. So that starts on count 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Starts on 3. You should do that with the click. Make sure your click is clicking in 3, 4 because this is a really good piece to check that, to help you with. Because at the end of each phrase, there's only that 2 count. And a lot of people kind of go on vacation at the end of the phrase. You may want to make sure that you have that pick up into the next measure on 3. So we only have 2 beats in that bar, and then it goes to here or here, which starts on 3. So listen to my recording a couple times. Make sure you get that. Because that's what I'll yell at you about. Wear your way. It'll be fun for me. Also, what's the dynamics? We have a mezzo forte and then a P on repeat. So take it loud the first time and then softer the second time. I also put little retardandos at the end of each phrase. Very small. Poco. If you listen to the last line of the song, or the last line of the page, little retardando, and then back to normal. So we repeat this, the beginning again. So read up on the last measure. It says play the first 2 lines again to finish the piece. So I had a little retardando there, and then at the very end of the song, the last 4 or 3 notes of the piece, I like to add that too. Let everybody know it's ending. Without that, it's kind of sounds like it could still go on. So let everybody know it's the end of the song. The other thing to watch out for is the slurs and staccatos. A lot of it in this one. I get a lot of people missing the articulation. So make sure that you're nice and careful with the dotted notes, with your staccatos, I should say. Long, short, short, long, short, 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 long. And then in the right hand here, be careful to be long. See that long note over short note? It's a 4th, and then short second, 5th, short second. 3rd, and short, short, long. Okay, so make sure at measure 5 you keep these half notes long. Okay, I actually almost slur them to that. That's how long I want it. Make sure you don't pick it up while you're playing that note or that note. Long. Okay. And the end isn't too hard. It's just 8th notes, but it sounds a little bit different because you have your F natural in there. Okay, so listen for that different sound you get. But you have all the secrets now, so you should be amazing. I'll see you.